In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Bitcoin in Europe using Binance. This is an easy, straightforward process, particularly if you're already familiar with the Binance platform. So, let's walk through this step by step. To kick things off, it's crucial that your Binance account is verified. This involves a process known as KYC, or Know Your Customer. Ensuring your account is verified not only secures your transactions, but also opens access to all the features that Binance offers. If your account isn't verified yet, you'll need to submit some documentation to prove your identity. It's a straightforward process, and Binance provides clear instructions within their app to guide you through it. Once your account is set up and verified, open the Binance app on your mobile device. From the main dashboard, look for the trade option. Tap on it, and then select the P2P option. This stands for peer-to-peer trading, which allows you to buy cryptocurrencies directly from other users. Next, you'll want to tap on Buy, which will present you with various cryptocurrencies. Here, select BTC, which stands for Bitcoin. At this point, it's important to make sure your currency setting is on EUR, so your transactions will be conducted in euros. Also, you'll need to select your payment method. For this example, we're using SEPA or bank transfer, which are commonly used payment systems in Europe. To ensure a smooth and reliable transaction, it's a good idea to filter your potential sellers. Look for verified merchants, often marked with a diamond icon. These sellers typically have a high transaction completion rate, indicating they are reliable and trustworthy. Browse through their offers and pick one that provides a competitive rate. With a merchant selected, it's time to enter the amount of Bitcoin you wish to buy, denoted in euros. Once you've entered this amount, tap Buy to proceed to the next step. Now you'll need to send funds through your bank using the details provided by the seller. It's important to complete this part accurately to avoid any issues. Once you've successfully transferred the funds, tap on Transferred in the Binance app. Following this, upload proof of payment. This could be a receipt or a confirmation from your bank that the transaction has been processed. After you've uploaded your proof of payment, the next step is simply to wait for the seller to confirm receipt of the funds. This usually doesn't take long. As soon as this confirmation is done on their side, the Bitcoin will be released and credited to your funding wallet on Binance. And there you have it, you have successfully purchased Bitcoin using Binance in Europe. Keep in mind to always stay secure online, and happy trading.